Members of the press, this is Azimio Center, and I would like on behalf of members of Azimio to say a few things about today. We had called our supporters and Kenyans in general to come out in the numbers and show displeasure at the way in which affairs of our country are being run. There are major issues in contention here. One is the cost of living. Two was the issue of formation of the Independent Electoral Commission commissioners. Three was the issue of electoral justice. Four was the issue of interference with the opposition political parties which are members of the Azimio coalition. These are the issues in contention. I want to take this opportunity to thank Kenyans throughout the country who heeded our call and turned up in large numbers to express themselves in a way that they could. Information that we have is that the protests were successful countrywide. In most of major towns, and almost most of the counties, there were people who turned up and expressed their displeasure at the way things are being done in our country. Therefore, we are very grateful to them, and we want them to stay tuned, because this is just but a beginning of a long struggle which will end up, obviously, in victory for the people. Those three issues in contention are not negotiable. One is the issue of the cost of living and the punitive tax measures which have been introduced by this regime. Kenyans already are suffering seriously. The other issue is the question of formation of an independent electoral commission. We have understood from the Kenya Kwanza Brigade that they want to go ahead and form the commission on their own. I want to make it very clear that if they do so, that is going to be basically a Kenya Kwanza commission. And we will, as Azimio, also go ahead and form our own commission. Secondly, we have also said that the people of Kenya have a right to picket, to demonstrate, to petition. And that is what we are doing right now. The Constitution also says at Article 1 that the sovereignty in the Republic of Kenya is vested in the people of Kenya. And the people can either exercise it directly or through their elected representatives. Today we have launched the movement to collect signatures from Kenyans so that they can say that they are withdrawing their delegation of powers to the elected leaders and taking it to themselves. It is the first in history. We know that the authors of our Constitution did not put that particular article in vain. And we are going to invoke that article to delegitimize this regime. We will collect signatures from Kenyans, and I've said we will also form an electoral commission, and we will carry out a referendum to delegitimize this regime. Then the other one is the issue of auditing of the servers. The rest is now history. We will not allow Kenya Kwanza to kill constituent parties of Azimio. Therefore, and by once again thanking Kenyans for remaining steadfast and tell them stay tuned. Thank you very much.